those of you that still have short-term memory, remember that Jun won game one. So he's up on stage now with John. And you might, based on the sound of their first names, you might think that somehow the game is oriented just for people who one syllable, it starts with J and ends with N, but no. And so, John, have you got enough time to rest before we go here? Right? And so, this is one where we do the square off here between the two champions. In this case, the person who wins is going to be the first person to get it right. So, here we go. Analog clocks and watches, that means non-digital ones, are traditionally displayed for sale showing the time 10:10. What is the angle between the hands at that time? Between the hour hand and the minute hand? Is it 11 pi over 18, 23 pi over 36, 2 pi over 3, 25 pi over 36, or 3 pi over 4? Yes, John?
Is it C?
C, 2 pi over 3?
Incorrect.
No. So you have 60 seconds, John. And then, John, you can still figure in case John gets it wrong, and you both would be eligible to signal it again. Yes, John?
I'm going to guess A.
A?
A is incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yes.
Yes, John?
B.
B, 23 pi over 36? That is correct. Yes, it is. So how did you get that? Is because the other two were eliminated, or?
Well, I figured if one was on the 10 and the other one was on the 2, then there'd be 2 pi over 3, which is my first answer, but then I realized that it moved forward a little bit. And so I just picked one that was just a little bit less than 2 pi over 3. The angle would have gotten smaller.
That's a good idea, yes. Yeah, so it shouldn't be bigger than 2 pi, right? And so, I don't know if this one has to do with wristwatches or not, but are you all set for the bonus question, or do you need time to bring some more?
Pick them all set.
You think you're all set, all right. So, it's worth $2,000, so we call it the $2,000 prize question, but it's just one question. So that's the thing to keep in mind. Don't wait for the, say, oh, this one's too hard, I'll do the next one. You want to do this one here, and it's worth $2,000. So here we go. Given isosceles triangle ABC, which we pictured there, where M is the midpoint of AC, find the length of that segment BM. Is it square root of 39 over 2, square root of 57 over 2, 3 square roots of 7 over 2, square root of 71 over 2, or square root of 89 over 2. In each case, just the numerators inside the square root side, not the 2. So I should say that you were an excellent audience. It's great to see so many people here and coming and cheering on these math students and maybe doing the problems yourselves. We hope you had lots of fun. Thank you very much for coming. And you didn't have to shovel snow to get here or anything, so that's good news too. Once again, maybe the audience, how many people think it's A by clock? It's square root of 39 over 2. How many people think it's B? Square root of 57 over 2. How many people think it's C, 3 square root of 7 over 2? How many people think it's D, square root of 71 over 2? How many people forgot where they marked? How many people think it's E, square root of 89? So, John, which one did you pick?
I picked B.
You picked B, square root of 57 over 2?
Yeah.
You don't sound real confident.
No.
No? Is there any kind of theorem you used, or?
Well, I knew it was going to be less than 4.
Huh?
So I pretty much, that's how I narrowed it down for my guess, because I forgot how to do problems like these.
Well, this is kind of a hard one, but there is a relationship about the lengths of medians and lengths of sides of squares. It involves squares. John, which one do you think it is?
I would have to go with B as well.
You go with B as well? Is that because you don't want to make John upset? Or you want to? All right, so you've already won $1,000, John, right? And so this is for $3,000. So has John won $3,000? Is it B? Yes!